Monport Mega Laser. Unboxing and setup. Use a screwdriver and pliers to open the hinges of the wooden crates, then lift the lid. User manuals on top are old versions. Visit product page for latest version. Take out the foam padding. Underneath are the honeycomb panel and the backing plate. Use the fabric straps on both sides to lift the machine out. Check the machine for any damage and ensure all accessories are included. If you have any issues, contact customer support at support@monportlaser.de. Remove the X-axis fixtures. Put the backing plate first, the next is the honeycomb panel. Fill the antifreeze through the funnel, or use purified or distilled water instead. Fill the antifreeze or water through the funnel, or use purified or distilled water instead. Then turn on the machine. Circulate water or antifreeze through the laser tube. Turn off the machine and add water or antifreeze again. Fixed metal backplate, including the bottom. Install smoke exhaust pipes with clamps. That's all of Mega unboxing and setup. For more help, please contact our support at monportlaser.de. Apply your Facebook support group in real time.